Now we've got that bolt wedged in right here on the block. Got to get that son. Watch this. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come on out of there.
This is a trick. This is a trick right here.
Here we go.
Oh.
Oh, come on. Boy, that bolt just wants to tear our ass up, doesn't it? Jordan, can you put the light back down in there?
Yeah, I was going to try to grab hold
Oh,
of it.
no, put the light back down so I can see. Should come out right.
Man.
Should come out right here. This is like forming.
If you were looking at it up here, you'd see you ain't got no room. He really didn't have any room to begin with, but he got the bolt out somehow. I don't know how he did it. If you could,
let me get up there and look at it.
Yeah, I think if you could twist it a little bit, you might could pull that.
Yep, you're right.
Pull that bolt out.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get that bolt out, twist it where we can get that bolt out somehow.
Wow.
There's the bolt right there.
That was put on before the engine was put in.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Let me get it reorganized here. Maybe it will come out the top. I've got it down in a bind now. Let me get back here where this bolt is. That bolt's binding us on the block.
Well, he jiggled it and juggled it, and it finally came out.
Where's the offending part?
Here's the trophy.
Let me see the trophy. Okay, that's the bad boy.
There's the trophy.
And that's the good boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called it's a tensioner, idle tensioner. This thing's got a big hydraulic cylinder in it right here. And this is what holds tension on your belt, serpentine belt. This rides on the belt right here. To put your belt on, you get a wrench on this, pull this down, get slack, put your belt on, and then it tensions it back up. This is this bolt,
this one belt
and this is what goes on here. And then you pull it like this to tension the belt.
This belt
it's just
turns.
one belt.
Yeah, it turns.
And this is what holds the tension on the belt. This runs on the back of the belt like that right there.
And it turns about 6 different things. The alternator,
it turns everything on the engine.
Yeah. So.
Water pump, alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor.
But to replace the alternator, we had to take it off. We had to take
well,
the
this we couldn't get this thing to want to adjust.
Tommy couldn't get that to.
This wouldn't break free enough to give us enough slack. It was frozen up.
Several things that.
The older models are a whole lot easier to work on, but then too, when you start placing one thing, god dang, something else seems to be a problem too.
Yeah, this isn't the original motor seat. Just got to get it back in right now.
It might be better going up from the bottom like it came out. I don't know. There, so I think we got it. Let me see. Just starting this bolt now. I think we got it. This bolt right here started. Okay. And then we can, sounds like, tell all the packers by. Pack their ass up and carry them their ass back across the Mason-Dixon line.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
They're standing right here waiting.
Yeah, them
made the cut.
At times.
I was right there.
Yeah, Nashville. He's from Nashville.
Los Angeles is pretty far south.
That's right.
Yeah. But it's another world away.
Yeah.
That's another country. What you talking about?
Did we sacrifice the turtle to make the gods?
Well, I tried to talk to Ann. Ann was going to give that to that little girl, and I tried to say, Ann, you don't need to give that nasty turtle cell. There's a lot of bacteria there.
A lot of limbs.
Ann thought she had a real prize, and I did too, but Jordan discouraged it. Jordan talked about bacteria and all these
Probably a good discouragement.
bad cells and shit going around now. He's gotten scared.
I have. I've gotten old.
No, I think I'm immune to it all. I've never been in a hospital.
I think you are. I can't believe
My
you
wife
quit
says I
drinking
can eat
beer,
anything and it doesn't even bother me, and it doesn't.
though. Yeah.
Okay, well
Mine too,
we'll
so
be out of here for 4 long too.
Okay.
Yeah. What time is
Steve's
it?
here.
9 o'clock.
Steve is here.
Yeah, I got all my stuff on the porch.
There's
so.
some hats
Hey.
and stuff that you
Okay.
gonna take that. And
whatever.
Mary's got you some food. And
Take care of all of Amazon's legal problems, and I'll keep the big wheels rolling down here.
Sounds like a deal.
Some way, some form, some fashion. Some days are easier than others. Some days it's a phone call away, and some days you got to go put a little sweat equity in.